Hey guys! This lesson we're going to talk about intelligent obstacle avoidance. The principle and the commands used in this video can be viewed in the file under the same directory. Let's get started. Firstly, open LX terminal. Enter the command. Please note that to enter the command should be case sensitive, and tab key can be used to following keywords. Then press enter. Then enter the corresponding command and then press enter to start the game. Let's look at the performance. Please do not use ultrasonic to detect objects that are too close for a long time. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.